the candidates who are preparing for the UG Senate Electronic Science, it is a very good news to you to crack your JRF exam in the 2020. Why? Because the Unacademy launched the Electronic Science complete course for the UG Senate exam. So if you want to crack the JRF in this 2020, then definitely you have to take the subscription plan under this Unacademy. So coming to the subscription plan, you will be having the structured course and the interactive live classes will be there, and you will be having the live tests and the quizzes also will be there. So due to all these points, you are going to get a very good clarity in the conceptual way to clear your exam in a perfect way. So these are the subscription plans for 1 month 2100, and for the 3 months, 6 months and 12 months. So here the different subscription plans are there. So the candidates who wants to subscribe this complete course for the UG Senate Electronic Science, then you may subscribe here any one of these plan. And here the referral code is also there. So it is a referral code you have to use, that is Ashwini K, ASWINIK. So if you use this referral code, then you are going to get the total 10% discount on any one of this subscription plan. And now, while coming to the present content of the video, here the University Grants Commissions released the official public notice in its website on 22nd July 2020. So here it is regarding that the Ministry of Mines inviting the project proposals under the science and technology schemes from the R&D institutions, laboratories and the PSUs and academic institutions up to 3 years of duration in the thrust areas. So the thrust areas of mines are represented here in the second page that you can check down. So the candidates who are doing the projects and who already done the projects and who are having the project proposals on these thrust areas, then you may apply your project proposal in the website. That is, the website is represented here, research.mines.gov.in, by the 22nd August 2020. Okay, but because here the last date of receipt of project proposals in this ministry is 22nd August 2020, and whatever the project proposals are received, that proposal has to pass through the 3 different types of types. The first one is a scrutiny of project proposal by a scrutiny committee, and the next one is a presentation of project proposals before project evaluation and the review committee, and next one is approval by standing scientific advisory group. So after crossing through all these 3 different types of tiering process, then the final selection list will be shown. So coming to the important dates here, the important dates are mentioned at the end. So the project proposals are required to be submitted online on the Satyabama portal by this date. As usual, manual is also available on the portal, where the stepwise procedure for submission of the project proposals have been highlighted, and also a soft copy of the project proposal generated from the portal in the PDF format also needs to be sent to the email, this one. Those projects which are shortlisted shall be directed to present their proposal either in Delhi or in any other city. The timelines are given here. So the beginning of registration 22nd June 2020, and the last date is 22nd August. The scrutiny of proposals by 2nd week of September, and the conduct of PERC meeting 1st week of October, and SSAG meeting 4th week of October. So these are the deadlines or the important dates. And all universities are requested to bring it notice of all concern and give wide publicity to the announcement made by the Ministry of Mines. So on behalf of Ministry of Mines and the University Grants Commissions, even through my YouTube channel also, I am doing the publicity regarding this one. So the candidates who belongs to the thrust areas of the mines as shown in this documentation. So please apply, or else please send your project proposal by the Satyabama portal. Here the portal is also mentioned, and the last day is 22nd August 2020. So please share this video to your friends or colleagues who are having such type of project proposals, and for more notifications please subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. Thank you.